painting a hurricane. I'm going to be using two completely unhinged methods. One is hydro dipping, and the other is pour spinning, spin pouring. I don't know, but it could be dangerous. I have a few things I need to pick up. Here we are. Hi. All right, decisions. We're just gonna do this. The package was $12. Materials that you need to do this hydro dipping. First, a reservoir from Home Depot. Assortment of colors. Dry the surface between each dip. I wasn't happy with that outcome, so now I'm going to try all the colors at once on a new canvas. I just got up. I did my hair. It's time to get to some sprays. Pour and spin. So this is what we're going to use. A gift from a friend. That will keep from the paint splashing. We're gonna use this circular canvas, two-sided tape. It is applied. Appearance. Okay, so I don't know what in the world I'm doing, like none, zero, no cap. In the noble pursuit of art and science, I embarked on an ambitious journey to recreate a Doppler hurricane using spin art. Despite having absolutely no training, experience, or frankly a plan, I bravely pressed on. What I discovered was not a hurricane, but the unstoppable power of centrifugal chaos. Every attempt ended with paint desperately fleeing the canvas, like tiny colorful rats abandoning a sinking ship. Diversity? Old wooden ship? No, sorry. Hurricanes, as it turns out, do not explode outward like bad popcorn. Who knew? While I failed spectacularly to capture the eye of the storm, I did manage to capture the true spirit of experimentation. Wild, colorful failure. Cut some of that glare. There we go. Didn't splatter at all. You are starting to feel euphoric and an overwhelming desire to subscribe to this channel. When I snap my fingers, you will awaken excited to choose your favorite version. Whee!
Get back here. That's my favorite painting.
And there you have it, hydro dipping versus spin art. Now it's your turn. Vote in the comments. Team Hydro or Team Spin? Who made the bigger mess look like art? Smash that like button like it owes you lunch money. And don't forget to subscribe before the Canvas Bandit comes after you next.